Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we got something very special here. This is for the WRX fanboys out there. You know who you are. Ha ha ha! Wheels, we have the Enkei RPF1. These wheels been around for what, 20 years they said? Man. 17 by 8, 45 offset. The bore is 73. So if you, as you guys know, the Subaru has a 56.1 bore. This is what they call the special brilliant coating. Special SBC brilliant coating. Over here it's kind of like a gunmetal. You got the gloss black here. You can see they start the polish from the lip all the way down. Very clean. So these on the inside, they're black. They're painted black. They're not polished, as you can see. It's hard to see. Yeah, you can see it. So these wheels, they're 16 pounds each. Super light. If you try to get the same size in the Koenig or OZ Racing, they're going to be about 21 pounds. So you're saving quite a bit of weight. For the tires, going with the Yokohama Geolandar CV 4S 225, 55, 17. Love these tires. I was going to go with Falcon Wild Peak AT Trails. Those tires in the same size is 29.8 pounds listed online. So I weighed these tires. They're 26.3 pounds. That's crazy. And what I love the most is all these side blocks. These have a 60,000 mile warranty on the threads, or thread life, I should say. And another plus, these tires are 3-peak mountain rated. So they are rated for severe snow duty. Love these. Bracket, well, I'm going with the Rally Innovations. These brackets are specific to the 2022 and up WRX. Clean welds. For the driving lights, I have these Hella. These are the 500 series fog lights. They fit just perfect. They come with these relays, wiring, mounting hardware. This is the lower bracket mounts for the light bar. Your mounting hardware. We have here Mishimoto front license plate relocator. Mishimoto. For the exhaust, we have MBRP. These are the Armor Pro axle bag, 2.5 diameter pipes. Comes with these gaskets and two mounting hardware. These are the burnt 4-inch tips. MBRP. For the springs, we have the Rallitek 1.5 inch. So, as you guys know, there are many options. If you want to lift your WRX, you have the Anderson design, LP Adventure, now even Cobb, they have their spacer lifts. So I went with these because they're lift springs. The rear ones are 310 pounds, spring rated. The front ones are 280 pounds. For the front end links, Rallitek heavy duty, adjustable. The Rallitek heavy duty rear toe arms. And they come with these cotter pins, and I guess that's a fitting where you can add grease to it. Here's all the mounting hardware. You get these new, I guess they're poly bushings. Attention, scan for install instructions. And the best part, I think, is these sick Cusco lower control arms. Man, how can you not love these? So, just to be clear, if all you want to do is lift your WRX, you don't need this, you don't need this. All you need are the springs. It says over here, Cusco, made in Japan. The serial number is 6814474LN. So they also make another load control arm that's specific for the automatics. So if you have an automatic WRX, I think the other one starts with a 6A2, but you have to double check. Love these, love it. Look at that. Alright guys, so this is all the parts. I'm going to set up my camera and get a weight on some of these parts. Zero it out. Let's do the Cusco's low control arm. 5 pounds and let's call it 4 ounces. Well, 5, 3 ounce, 0.7. Check the other one. 5, 3.3. Pretty close. Front end links. 1 pound, 6 ounce. Another one. Wow, that's pretty close. 1 pound, 6, 1. Let's do these are the rear toe arms. You got this part. You got these two. And you have these end links. £4 pounds and 4 ounces. 6 pounds, 2 ounce. Well, 2.2 if you want to be exact. See what's the weight on the other one? £6, 1.9. Okay. Here's a front spring. 6 pounds. Yep, just about 607. .604. So the Rallitek, they seem to be very close tolerances. Very nice. Alright guys, so hopefully just gave you some tips and ideas about your WRX if you're thinking about lifting it. Alright, see you guys next time.